Ever heard of a rain of fish? In Yoro, Honduras, it actually happens. For over a century, this small town has experienced an annual phenomenon known as lluvia de peces, the rain of fish. Between May and July, after a heavy storm, the streets are found covered in hundreds of live fish. Scientists are baffled. There's no nearby water source these fish could come from. Locals believe it's a miracle from Father Jose Manuel Subirana, who prayed for the hungry town 160 years ago. Despite numerous investigations, no one has ever seen the fish actually fall from the sky. To this day, the Yoro fish rain remains an unexplained mystery.